Hello friends, welcome to YouTube channel Android Gateway. In today's video, you will learn how to pass GoTranscript audio test. So before starting audio test, you must read GoTranscription guideline. This will help you to pass GoTranscript audio test. Because audio test is very important, you must apply all these GoTranscription rules into the audio test. Without applying these rules, you not pass GoTranscript audio test. So you must read all these GoTranscription rules and apply all these rules into the GoTranscription audio test before submitting the audio test. So I transcribe audio test into text form. So let's start the audio test.
It depends on where the expatriation is. So if you're expatriating to OECD countries, you move somebody from the UK to America, the expatriation processes should be relatively simple, okay? Because the language is the same, the basic principles of how people operate in terms of travel, education. If you take somebody from one country to a different language speaking, to a different culture, to a totally different system, then it's very high. But in order to expatriate, you have to have a very good HR support system. You have to have a very good understanding of both ends, the culture and the background of where the people are coming from, and the culture and background of where you're going to, and how the systems work, and what it is that people will need to support their everyday working life. It's very high in the beginning. When you go to a new country, when I first traveled to China, it was quite new for me. And in fact, I went to a region we'd never been before. And our HR people had to do a lot of research in the beginning to find out. They had to make a lot of trips to find out what was it like. Firstly to consider, could we expatriate people there? What is the health system like? What is the security and safety? What's the education? And after extensive research and visits, they came back and said, okay, we can expatriate, but there's some things we need to do. Firstly, we can't send families. We can only send single people. It's not suitable for families, in our opinion, this location. Secondly, when you go there, there actually isn't any suitable accommodation. We will actually have to build our own accommodation. There's nothing that we would comfortably put people in. And that can happen often in projects with camps. Deciding, do you put people in camps or do you put them in existing accommodation? And then for health, they determined that the health system wasn't up to standard, so we had to put in place some emergency health provisions, emergency health coverage, how we would evacuate people. So all of that kind of burden falls, and that's kind of thinking when you get a new country. Once you've expatriated people to a country, you get experience of that country. HR gets familiar with the process, how it works, the things, the challenges they face. Then it gets easier. And so the HR supporting system is a little easier. All right? But I agree, you need a very sophisticated system. You need a good level of resource to support it. You need to have deep knowledge. And you do need to have people in country. There's no doubt. Eventually you need to have people in country to execute it. So, HR people in country to help to support the process.
So this is the audio test. I transcribe in text form. So before submitting this audio test, you must apply all these GoTranscription rules into this text file. So before submitting, you must apply all these GoTranscription rule into this text file. So I hope this video is helpful for you, and please like the video and also subscribe my channel for more latest updates. Thank you very much.